Welcome everyone to this week's forum recap covering the week of October 27th to November 3rd, yesterday. And shout out to Ashton for helping us to write these forum summaries. Now, for news and announcements, there wasn't much, but we had a handful of technical updates this past week. Starting off with protocol engineering, informing us that the StarkNet fast withdrawal components, which were supposed to be in this week's November 2nd executive, have been delayed just in order to allow some time for final testing and checkups before it goes on-chain. Also non-related to that executive, withdrawals and deposits to the StarkNet DAI bridge were temporarily paused after the fee mechanism upgrade that happened on Sunday, October 30th. And also, TechOps made a scheduled maintenance last Friday on October 28 to rebuild the forum app, upgrade the forum to its latest version, apply security fixes, apply updates to the server, and if you're interested in live updates for scheduled maintenances, it's available on the MakerDAO status page. Now we're going to move on to some active discussions. Nothing really high level this week, but just some interesting discussions that are nice to see. And starting off, we know that HDUSD got a little wrecked. It now actually sits around 33 cents to the dollar after losing its peg, following Huobi's announcement that they are delisting the stablecoin. And in response to what happened, recognized delegate Do Stablenode shares some of his takeaways for the MakerDAO community. First up, he mentions that not all centralized stablecoins are the same. In the case of HUSD, there was poor transparency and communication. So while Paxos initially supported the stablecoin, it was later revealed that the US dollars backing HUSD were actually stored in the Huobi Trust. Also, Do says that risky stablecoin management has its consequences. And as an example, talks of HUSD aggressively seeking market share by selling their coin at favorable rates, along with the legal situation happening with Celsius, may have spooked HUSD investors, leading them to redeem the tokens and resulting in HUSD severe under-collateralization. So in conclusion, Do believes that it's good to utilize our own stablecoin collateral. However, we need to be very careful as we manage these stablecoins, or else we may also face some liquidity trouble. And next up, we have Drinks with Delegates. And in this Halloween episode, Ultra Shupi dressed up as Big Red, the champion racehorse, El Progreso from 3F Delegates as Ozzy Osbourne, and we had a special guest, Nadia, Growth Core Unit Facilitator, who was Scarlett Johansson. And they all had some drinks and dove into the growth aspects of Endgame, specifically talking about the adoption of the Endgame plan, how core unit team members should be thinking about clustering or becoming ecosystem actors, how institutions are struggling to achieve capital efficiency within DeFi, how MetaDAOs will scale faster than the current Maker Core, and also how MKR token owners should be thinking about Endgame. Now, the video's up on YouTube. Check it out. El Pro posts a new video basically every week. And there are no signal requests as the ratification poll for Endgame's pre-launch MIP set has passed, and with it, the MIP 16 amendment sub-proposal to pull signal requests. And so just wanted to remind everybody that there's no more signal requests. That's it. But thanks for checking out the forum recap. And if you want some more information on announcements, updates, research reports, discussions going on in the forum, check out the written version, the forum at a glance, which is more comprehensive. And also, the forum recap is now available on YouTube. So check it out, and thank you.